We will be needing both aircrack and Reaver to crack WPA passwords. Reaver is a brute forcing tool. On average, Reaver takes 4 to 10 hours to recover WPA, WPA2 passwords. So let's take a look at how to install Reaver. I'll change to a root shell first. So type in sudo -s and press enter. Before installing Reaver, we need to install a few other dependencies. Without these dependencies, Reaver won't work. So sudo apt-get install lib pcap. libpcap provides a framework for network monitoring. Pcap means packet capture. SQL is a programming language. SQLite is a software library. lib SQLite 3-dev is a development library for SQLite 3. So we'll install all these packages at the same time. You can check the resources section for detailed information about libraries. Reading package lists. The packages are getting downloaded from the archives. It's getting installed now. So finally it's done. Now this process of installation is completely different from the processes we have seen so far. First we will download Reaver. So wget, the command used to download a file. http://reaver-wps. This is the website, the download link of the source code of Reaver. We are downloading the source code from this link. googlecode.com. Reaver 1.4 tar.gz is a compressed file. Like in Windows, we have zip or rar files. The tar file is getting downloaded. Download is complete. Now we have to extract the files. Like in Windows, we have zip file and we have to extract it. So let's extract the file tar-xzvf. xzv and f are various options, unnecessary details, but this is a standard command used to extract tar.gz files. So files are extracted. Now we have to compile the source code of Reaver. Many of you may not know programming, and understanding this part isn't really necessary. We have used the cd command to change directory. src is the file within the Reaver folder which contains the source code. /configure, this command is used to check whether your computer fulfills all the necessary requirements to build a package. Now we have to compile the code. Compiling source code takes place in 3 steps. Now the final step, the installation step. Sudo make install. Installation is complete. So that wasn't really very tough. Reaver is a project of Google Code. The code was written in 2012. It's written in C++ and the main development platform is Visual Studio 6 on Windows.